Welcome back to Growth Talks, the podcast dedicated to your personal and professional development. I'm your host, and today we're diving into a topic that many of us encounter on our journey of growth: how to work through pain. Pain is an inevitable part of life. It can manifest in various forms, such as emotional distress, physical discomfort, or challenging life circumstances. However, it's important to remember that pain can also be a catalyst for growth and transformation. Today, we'll explore strategies and insights to help you navigate through pain and emerge stronger on the other side. Let's begin by acknowledging that pain is a natural and valid human experience. It's okay to feel the emotions that arise from pain, whether it's sadness, anger, or frustration. Allowing yourself to process these emotions is an essential step towards healing and growth. Self-compassion is key when working through pain. Treat yourself with kindness and understanding. Acknowledge that it's okay to take time for self-care and self-reflection. Be gentle with yourself and avoid self-judgment. Remember, healing takes time, and it's a unique journey for each individual. Seeking support is crucial when dealing with pain. Reach out to trusted friends, family members, or professionals who can provide a listening ear and guidance. Sharing your feelings and experiences can help you gain perspective, find solace, and gather the support you need to navigate through the pain. Developing resilience is an important skill when working through pain. Resilience allows us to bounce back from adversity and grow stronger. Cultivate resilience by embracing a growth mindset, focusing on the lessons and opportunities that pain can present, and finding ways to adapt and move forward. Practicing self-care is essential during times of pain. Take care of your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Prioritize rest, exercise, healthy eating, and activities that nourish your soul. Taking care of yourself allows you to build the strength and resilience needed to face and overcome pain. Reflection and self-discovery are powerful tools when working through pain. Take time to reflect on the lessons and insights that pain is offering you. Use journaling or introspection to gain a deeper understanding of yourself, your values, and your priorities. Through self-discovery, you can find meaning in your experiences and grow from them. Setting boundaries is important when working through pain. Learn to recognize your limits and communicate them assertively. Create a supportive environment that fosters your healing and growth. It's okay to say no to additional responsibilities or activities that may drain your energy during this time. Protecting your emotional well-being is essential. Lastly, embrace the concept of acceptance. Acceptance doesn't mean giving up or condoning the pain. It means acknowledging the reality of the situation and choosing to focus on what you can control. Embracing acceptance allows you to release resistance and redirect your energy towards healing and personal growth. Well, that wraps up today's episode on how to work through pain. We hope these strategies and insights will empower you to navigate your journey of healing and emerge stronger and wiser on the other side. If you found value in this episode, be sure to subscribe to Growth Talks and join our community of growth enthusiasts. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll explore more valuable insights and strategies for personal and professional development. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, within every pain lies an opportunity for growth. Keep growing and embracing the transformative power of your experiences.